Hello everyone, how are you? I am Nita Wagmare. I have completed my graduation from Vidya Bharati College and currently I am the student of persistent for my English improvement and personality development. Now I want to share my experience with you. Friends, English language is our international communication in all areas such as politics, science, media or art. It is the language of entertainment as well as socializing. Having a good command of English to help us have more opportunities in life. First of all, our career. In today's era, who doesn't want to speak English? Everyone wants to speak in English because we all know that English is a need of time and people are urged to able to communicate in English. I also want to speak English. I also want to communicate in English with other people. When I was in college last year, I had to make presentation for some topic and sir said that everyone have to explain their presentation in English language and we didn't have any choice because if we didn't give that presentation then we wouldn't get internal marks. That's why I prepared that presentation. But I forgot everything while giving presentation. I couldn't speak a single sentence because I didn't have any idea about how to make sentence properly, how to speak in English. And that time I feel very bad. You will know that if you go on the stage and you are not able to speak anything, then how do you feel that time? You feel nervousness, awkwardness, or embarrassed. I was feeling same. My confidence level was down. That's why I had decided that I will improve my English communication skill. I know that Persistent is famous for English improvement and personality development, but I didn't know that sir will check my grammar knowledge. Sir asked me some question in Hindi and I had to translate in English, but I couldn't translate sentence properly. But I got admission in this batch. After joining Persistent, I learned so many new things. I learned the basic to advanced grammar and I learned to make sentence without grammatical mistakes. And now I can speak confidently on the stage without any nervousness and I am able to communicate English with anyone. I express my thought in my friend circle and I could learn this only because of Apsar sir and Parvesh sir. Friends, we need a mentor if you go any field. People who are having a good mentor, people who are having a good teacher, they have succeeded in life. And we need a mentor for communication skill because communication skill is not 1 month or 2 months, it's lifetime journey. Communication skill has become vital, is like oxygen for your success. You have skills, you have a lot of knowledge, you are hardworking, you are sincere, but you can't express that. And it's become a big hurdle if you can't express that, especially in English and especially in front of people. And fear is there. You don't know how to build your sentence structure, you don't know how to build your vocabulary, you don't know how to understand a fluent speaker and how to go on the stage and speak up. You will get completely confused. And in that case, experienced teacher is very important. Apsar sir and Parvesh sir, they both are a good mentor, they both are a good teacher. I wish every student to have a mentor like sir in their life. They always give us right direction, they always motivate us. Sir explains every topic excellently with practical example. Sir gives attention each and every student who is present in the class. They both are supported by their nature and friendly behavior. And I am satisfied to join Persistent. I am lucky to being a part of Persistent family. Friends, I want to give you only 3 suggestions for your English improvement. First is be regular in the class if you want to good in English speaking. Otherwise, you will lose so many important topics. And second thing is practice. You must do practice every day because practice is important for your communication skill and personality development. Because sir always says that practice makes man perfect and I am following this path. And third thing is that you must read English newspaper daily and you can also listen audiobook and podcast. If you want to feel confident and you speak in English, then this is the perfect platform to join. And one more important, friends, mark my words, if you give your 100% to this class, nothing can stop you becoming a fluent speaker. Because beginning is always hard. Once you start running, nobody can stop you. I hope you like my words. Thank you so much.